Hey guys, this is Mike Tarallo with Qlik, and welcome to SaaS in 60. This week, we introduce a number of usability improvements to Qlik Sense Mobile. We have refined the sheet navigation experience to take advantage of native mobile gestures. Users can now navigate to individual sheets by simply swiping the sheet names across the top or by tapping the current tab, along with clear delineation between private and public sheets. Sheets in the app will display as tiles in the appropriate section for easier identification and navigation. While in a sheet, you can access a new landscape mode simply by rotating your device to a horizontal position, allowing all visualization objects to achieve the best layout possible, similar to that of a browser-based display. This mode is also supported for individual chart objects when put in full screen mode. We have also improved navigation to other apps and sheets linked from within an app by opening them within Qlik Sense Mobile instead of a separate web browser. Other improvements include, and that is your SaaS in 60.